rocker blocks. Let's have a look at what you can do with them. So I've got the 2 packs. These are already out. So you get 4 in the first pack. So you get, let me say, 6 by 4, 6 by 1 1/4, 4 by 3, 1 1/2 by 1. So these are perfect for you. You know, if you're doing things like snowflakes or little sentiments, you know, borders on the large ones, absolutely perfect. And then you've got your larger ones, which are 7 by 5 and 7 by 2.5. So that's half the width of there. Now, I have got a stamp here. Is that going to fit? Ooh, that's a bit snug. So let's get this one here. So I'm going to use my largest rocker block for now. Nice new pack of these. Aren't these gorgeous? Now, let me show you here. Can you see? This is why it's called rocker block. Can you see that is nicely curved? The plate isn't as curved as the rocker on here. So I've got a stamp. I've got my Welcome to the World stamp, and it's a beautiful, beautiful butterfly. But look at how much detail is on there. I need to go that way round. There we go. I'm just going to pop that in the middle. Look at the detail on there. Now, you might be a little bit, sort of, have a little bit of trepidation about using something like that, where I can't then go back in and line it up after the event because, you know, I've used a not used a stamping platform, you know, used a block. But I don't need to worry about this. So I have got some watercolour craft card. Again, not the easiest always to stamp onto, but I've also got my waterproof dye ink. So we're going to pop that over there. Now, I'm going to make sure I properly cover my stamp. That is really important. You can't blame the rocker block for not stamping properly if you've not inked your stamp up properly. So lots of little taps, don't drag, lots of little taps over the top. Make sure there's plenty of ink on there. Then I'm going to bring my card in. Now, it's entirely up to you which way you do this. I find it easier to work from the bottom because I'm going to rock that way. If you find it easier to rock that way, you do it that way. So I'm just going to pop this down. It's on my craft mat. And then I'm just going to press down there. And you can always come back. It just holds. So you can just see. Now, if this didn't have ink on, as much ink like this, you'd be able to see it squashing down. But when I then reveal, look at that. Absolutely perfect. I haven't got to go back in and try and touch it up. It's an absolute perfect image. That's why you need a rocker block, because you can do this type of stamping with one. So absolutely perfect.